Hello, good morning. Today I'm going to explain you a little bit about metonymy and a concept and some example. Okay, first we have the concept. What is metonymy? Metonymy is a form of figurative language in which a word is replaced by something very close to the original meaning. It refers that we are going to explain the meaning of some phrase but make a relation with other things that can be similar than the first one. For example, instead of referring to businessmen as businessmen, using metonymy, you may refer then as sweet. The word sweet is associated with a businessman, as this is usually the style of clothes that they wear. And here you can see that we don't say the literal word. We are looking for other words that can make a relation with the original. And we have more examples. Metonymy in spoken language. Here we have the first example. Lend me your ears. In this case, we refer the ears with I want that you pay me attention, or means listen to me. And the second one is the crown, which refers to the royal system of government of a country. We are giving other word that it is referred to the original one. To lend a hand. This is, I guess, the most common because I already heard about it. And this metonymy is referred to helping someone or be generous with someone else. And we have Wall Street. This term refers to the financial industry. As you can see, we are talking about economical language. Would you like a piece of my Danish? In this example, the word Danish does not refer to a person from Denmark, but rather the food eaten at Danish pastry. And here I have more examples. I want to see over there. Can you ask seat 14 if he want to move? This example of metonymy used the phrase at seat 19 to refer to the person sitting in that seat. And the other example, and the last, the company has taken a lot of new blood. This year, in this sentence, the term new blood is referring to new people with a fresh approach to the company. Okay, as a conclusion, we can say that metonymy is to give other meaning as original word, or look for other word that you can remember at the moment that you are speaking. And with this metonymy, we want to make the speech or the writing skill more with more variety about what you want to say or what you want to mention, in order to be not a visual with the thing that you are saying. That's all for me. Thank you.